Imagine a camera so fearless, so intelligent, and so ahead of its time that it doesn't just capture what you see, it captures how it feels, how it moves and how it lives, and that's exactly what the new DJI Osmo Action 6 does. It's not just a camera, it's a bold leap into the next era of cinematic storytelling for everyday creators, adventurers and dreamers who refuse to settle for average. Because this device doesn't record your world, it becomes a part of it, fusing technology, design, and performance into one unstoppable machine that seems to whisper, "Go ahead, push me harder." The moment you hold it, you feel the difference. It's sleek yet tough, compact yet commanding, a perfect blend of elegance and endurance. Built with precision from high-grade aluminum, sealed to perfection. Waterproof up to 18 meters without a case, and designed to laugh in the face of dust, sand, and storms. Because the Osmo Action 6 isn't afraid of where your story takes you. It was built for the chaos of motion, for the thrill of impact, for the moments that happen only once and never repeat. Inside this tiny body lives a monster of innovation, the all-new 113-inch sensor that captures light like a dream, turning every frame into something that feels larger than life. Whether it's dawn breaking across the ocean, headlights slicing through a midnight highway, or the golden haze of sunset dripping across mountain peaks. The Osmo Action 6 doesn't just see light, it sculpts it, blending colors, contrast, and depth with an artistry that makes every shot feel cinematic straight out of the camera. When you hit record, you're not just filming, you're painting in 4K at 120 frames per second, freezing every splash, spin, or leap in buttery smooth clarity that's so immersive. It pulls you right back into that instant every time you watch it. DJI didn't just improve stabilization, they redefined it. With Rocksteady 5.0, your footage looks impossibly smooth, even when the world around you is shaking like crazy, and Horizon Steady keeps your horizon perfectly level, even if you rotate the camera a full 360 degrees, turning what should be chaos into cinematic flow. And when you combine that with active HDR video, every dark shadow and bright highlight balances in perfect harmony. So whether you're stepping from a cave into daylight or cruising under city lights, the Osmo Action 6 reads and reacts faster than your eyes can, making sure what you see is what you feel. But power means nothing without control, and that's where DJI's design genius really shines. The dual touchscreen system is more responsive, brighter, and smarter than ever. Both front and rear screens feel alive beneath your fingertips, visible even in direct sunlight. Responsive even through gloves, making vlogging, framing, and adjustments not just easy but intuitive, almost like the camera already knows what you're about to do. Speaking of vlogging, the sound system in the Osmo Action 6 is pure magic. 3 high-sensitivity microphones capture crisp, directional audio while smart wind reduction filters out the chaos of your surroundings, leaving your voice sharp and clear. And for creators who crave studio-quality sound, DJI added seamless Bluetooth support for wireless mics like the DJI Mic 2, giving you freedom of movement and professional clarity without a single wire in sight. Powering all this brilliance is the all-new Extreme battery, a beast that charges from 0 to 80% in about 15 minutes and keeps rolling for up to 2.5 hours, even in freezing temperatures down to 20 degrees C, because let's be honest, the world doesn't stop for bad weather, and now neither do you. Every inch of this camera screams resilience. The lens cover now has scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass with anti-fingerprint and anti-glare coatings. The body is more heat-efficient, and the new magnetic quick-release mount lets you switch from horizontal to vertical shooting in seconds. Perfect for creators who need to go from YouTube widescreen to Instagram Reels in one seamless move. But what really sets the Osmo Action 6 apart isn't just specs, it's personality. It's the way this camera feels like it was made by people who understand creators. People who get that real storytelling happens in unpredictable moments. When your hands are full, your heart's racing, and your time to react is less than a second. That's why DJI made the voice control system smarter than ever. Just say the word and it obeys, start recording, switch modes, or snap a photo, all hands-free, all effortless. And when you're done shooting, you don't need to wait forever to edit. The new Wi-Fi 6 connection beams your footage to your phone through the DJI Mimo app almost instantly, letting you trim, color grade, and even auto-generate highlight reels with AI that syncs your clips perfectly to the beat of your chosen track. In minutes, you can go from shooting to sharing, from moment to masterpiece. The color science here is jaw-dropping. Thanks to DJI's D-Log M10-bit recording, you can capture over 1 billion colors with rich detail and stunning gradients, giving your footage that filmic depth professionals crave. And yet, even straight out of camera, it looks ready for the world. with vibrant tones that pop without looking artificial. This is not just a gadget, it's a creative partner, one that grows with you, learns your rhythm, and adapts to your world. It's lightweight, compact, and fearless, designed to disappear in your hand while amplifying your perspective. And when you mount it, on your helmet, your board, your car, or your chest, it becomes an extension of your movement, syncing with your energy, capturing not just what you did, but what it felt like to do it. DJI didn't just design a camera. They designed confidence, the kind that tells you, go ahead, jump, dive, ride, climb. This moment will live forever. The Osmo Action 6 doesn't shy away from extremes. It thrives on them. It loves water, speed, wind, and gravity. It's built to keep up with life when it refuses to sit still. Imagine shooting in a rainstorm, diving underwater, or sprinting down rocky trails, and when you play back your footage, it looks like something shot by a film crew. And yet, for all its power, this device remains accessible, affordable, and creator-friendly. DJI made sure this upgrade doesn't break the bank, but breaks expectations instead, because they know the real revolution isn't about making cameras more expensive, it's about making creativity more reachable. With the Osmo Action 6, you're not waiting for the perfect shot. You're living it, framing it, feeling it. Every laugh, every fall, every wave, every spark, it's all there, waiting to be captured in motion so smooth, so rich, so alive, you'll swear it remembers how the moment felt. And when you watch it back later, you won't just recall what you did, you'll relive it, heartbeat by heartbeat. That's the kind of connection DJI has created between you and your story. This camera doesn't just follow trends, it creates them, and it redefines what it means to film, to share, to remember. So whether you're a vlogger, a traveler, a filmmaker, or just someone who believes that every day holds a story worth telling, the Osmo Action 6 is your invitation to create without fear. It's the line between average and unforgettable, between recording life and truly capturing it. This isn't just a camera, it's a revolution. A silent partner that sees the world through your eyes and gives it back to you in color, light, and motion more vivid than memory itself. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is more than an upgrade. It's the evolution of creativity itself. The power to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. And the promise that no matter how wild your story gets, this little camera will always keep up. Ready to roll, ready to capture. Ready to make your life look just as epic as it feels. In the end, the DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just an action camera, it's a fearless companion built for creators who crave more than just footage, who chase moments that pulse with life and refuse to fade. It's the camera that dares to go where you go, to see what you see, and to feel what you feel. Every click, every frame, every second it records is a living memory, vivid, emotional, and powerful. With its unmatched stabilization, stunning low-light performance, lifelike color science, and unshakable endurance, the Osmo Action 6 becomes an extension of your passion, a reflection of your story, and proof that technology can keep up with human spirit. So whether you're diving into the unknown, chasing sunsets, or simply capturing the raw beauty of your everyday life, this camera promises one thing: you'll never miss the magic again. Because the Osmo Action 6 isn't just here to film your world, it's here to redefine it, to push you further, to challenge what's possible, and to turn every fleeting second into something eternal. This isn't just innovation, it's inspiration in motion.